Hello and welcome to my new video. In my last video, I explained the Employee Service Center, which includes overview, key attributes, plugins, Employee Center and Employee Center Pro, and functionalities. In this video, I will explain the event management, which includes what is event management, what event management can manage, structure, workflow, event management, and service mapping. So let's start with the what is event management. ServiceNow Event Management simplifies the process of identifying health issues within the data center by offering a unified management console. This tool aggregates alert and conduct root cause analysis for various services including discovered services, application services, and automated alert groups. It's worth noting that event management is offered as a distinct subscription separate from the rest of the ServiceNow platform. Utilize a single management console to monitor the health of both services and infrastructure, enabling prompt responses to any arising issue. Event management offers intelligent analysis of events and alerts, ensuring seamless performance continuity for your services. Events are received and processed through the mid server within the event management system. Event management replaces event noise with the insight and clarity. Identify issues before they happen with actionable alerts to reduce impacts on users. Event management together with operational intelligence help shared services organization centralize the IT operation by delivering a single pane of glass of business service health and solve problem much faster. The benefits are reducing of mean time to repair, identification of root cause, increase in existing tools value, improvement in service availability. So these are the you can say that different benefits of event management. Then what event management can manage? Event management can manage discovered services, application services, dynamic CI groups, and alert groups. Discovered services. These are the compositions of interconnected configuration items from the CMDB. Service mapping discovers these services, presenting them with a service map detailing mapping relationships and impact tree indicating outage severity, active and related alerts, and CI properties. This mapping data is visible on dashboard, the alert list, and the event list. Then application services. Application services are crafted by selecting specific CIs to include in services. They appear on dashboard offering drill down capabilities to map view for detailed exploration. Dynamic CI groups. Dynamic CI groups are created based on common criteria dynamically grouped CIs. For example, you can form a dynamic CI group based on location such as web servers or database in particular region. This method leverages criteria to populate an application service dynamically. Then alert groups. Alert groups organize sets of alerts for simplified management, adding in efficient maintenance tasks. ServiceNow Event Management allows for the comprehensive management of discovered services, application services, dynamic CI groups, and alert groups, providing a centralized platform to oversee and address IT events and issue effectively. Then structure. When events occurs across various systems, the mid-server connector instance communicates these events to the ServiceNow instance. The mid-server connector instance acts as a intermediary collecting events from various systems and forwarding them to the ServiceNow instance. Upon receiving these events, event management within ServiceNow generates alerts based on predefined criteria and configuration. ServiceNow applies alert management rules to the generated alerts, facilitating organization, prioritization, and assignment to appropriate IT teams or personnel. Alerts are prioritized based on factors such as severity, impact, and urgency, ensuring that critical issues are addressed promptly. ServiceNow facilitates the remediation of alerts through automated actions or manual intervention by IT personnel. Additionally, it supports root cause analysis to identify the underlying reason for alerts and incidents. User can access this information through various channels including dashboards, the alert list within Alert Intelligence, or from service maps. These visual representation provide insights into the status of alerts, their severity, and their impact on the overall IT environment. ServiceNow Event Management module coupled with the mid-server connector instance enables the effective handling of events, alert generation, management, prioritization, remediation, root cause analysis, and visualization of alert data, ensuring optimal management of IT incidents and maintaining service continuity. Events are categorized as critical, major, minor, info, clear. Critical, immediate action is required. The resource is either not functional or critical problems are imminent. Then major functionality is severely impaired or performance has degraded. Then minor, partial, non critical loss of functionality or performance degradation occurred. Then warning, attention is required even through the resources is still functional. Then info, an alert is created, the resource is still functional. Then clear, no action is required, an alert is not created from this event, existing alerts are closed. Events are collected in two different ways, pull and push. Then workflow. Event management receives external events and generates alerts based on the event and alert management rules. Events are sent directly to your instance using an email server script, SNMP trap, or a web service API. The corresponding alerts appear on dashboard for tracking and remediation purposes. As the computer software or service generates events, the mid server polls the external event tracking tool. The mid server, which maintains a connection to event management, sends the information to your instance for storage, processing, and remediation. The instance stores events in the event table and attempts to generate alerts based on the predefined rules and event mapping. Regardless of whether an alert generates, the original event is available for review and remediation. Alerts generates according to the following process flow. First, find the best matching event rule for an event. If the source of event matches the source specified in the existing rule, then a rule is matched. A rule is also matched if the event matches the optional rule filter and the event additional underscore info value matches the rule additional information filter. A rule without any filter is ignored. For example, when the source filter is missing or additional information filters is missing. If multiple rules are defined for the same type of event, use the rule order to determine order of the rule application. If the rule ignore checkbox is selected, no alert generates. However, the event is still available for the review and remediation. It, if transforms have been defined, apply them. If compose parameters are set, apply the additional content to display to the user in alert. If active in the threshold section is selected, accumulate all events until the threshold is met. Generate a single alert for the events. Then second, search for an event field mapping even if there is no event rule. If an event field mapping is found, apply the mapping information. If the event has no severity after the event transformations, retain the event for reference purposes and do not generate an alert. Then third is search the alert table for a matching message key. If the matching message key exists, update the alert according to the event information. If the matching message key does not exist, create an alert. If another event has the same matching key, associate the events under the single alert. For root cause analysis purpose, bind the alert to the specific CI. So this is you can say that workflow of event management. Then event management and service mapping. Event management in ServiceNow leverages discovered services from service mapping and automated alert groups alongside root cause analysis to streamline alert resolution process. When an event is received from an external source via the mid-server script or a web service API, event management promptly access configuration item information for alert generation and CI remediation. This configuration item information is stored in the configuration management database CMDB, sourced from the various channels including service mapping, discovery, third-party integration, and manual inputs. Correlated alerts groups and root cause analysis data are then utilized to expedite issue resolution. By leveraging these insights, IT teams can swiftly identify the underlying causes of alerts and make appropriate actions to mitigate the impact of IT environment. So that's all for this session. Before I wrap up, let's quickly review what I have covered in this session. I explained that what is event management, what event management can manage, structure, workflow, event management, and service mapping. So that's all for this session. In my upcoming video, I will cover the asset management with CMDB. Thank you.